Welcome to the Severalnines product video, and today we will demonstrate to you the ClusterControl integrations. The ClusterControl integrations allow you to propagate your alerts and warnings from ClusterControl to another system. For instance, this enables your team to receive alerts and warnings from ClusterControl to your favorite incident resolution application or your favorite chat platform. Installation is relatively easy. You just go to Settings, Integrations in the ClusterControl GUI, and here you can add as many integrations as you would like. We support multiple integrations at the same time, and currently we support the integrations of PagerDuty, VictorOps, Telegram, OpsGenie, Slack, and we also have a generic webhook available for other applications. We're going to add a new integration of VictorOps. So first of all, we select VictorOps, and then we get the option to create the details of the VictorOps integration. We can give the integration a name, and then we can paste the URL here. This URL has to come from VictorOps as the application. So go to VictorOps, open up the account, go to Settings, Integrations, and then look for the REST component. Here you can generate a new URL, and this URL has to be copied and pasted into ClusterControl. We can test the URL whether it functions or not, and you need to include the last bit of the URL, otherwise the integration will not work. And then in the next screen we basically select where we are sending our alerts and warnings from. So we have to select what cluster is going to send these events, and you can add multiple, but in this demo we only have one single cluster, so we'll fill in that one. And then for the event triggers, you basically have a set of all critical events, all warnings, or then individually per category like database health or database performance. Once we have done this, we can click on Add Integration, and the integration is basically done. Next up in this demo is adding an additional integration. We can add as many as we would like, but we're adding an additional one for Slack. For Slack itself, you can see that in the second step almost identical options are there. The only difference is here that we have to select a channel where we are going to send our messages to. We have to go to Slack, and once you're in Slack you just simply go to the side panel, select your username and go to Apps and Integrations. In the Apps and Integration screen you go to Manage, and then within Management you are going to search for Incoming Webhooks. Incoming Webhooks is basically an app you can install on top of Slack, and this allows us to send messages from ClusterControl into Slack. So therefore, if you haven't installed it yet, you need to install it right now. After installation, it immediately provides you with a URL. If you already have incoming webhooks, you can generate a new webhook URL. So now you have the webhook URL, you can copy and paste that into ClusterControl. Also, don't forget to provide us the channel that you're going to post to, because this is necessary for this webhook to work correctly. After you have advanced to the next screen, you can see that we basically have the same options. You just add a new cluster, you add the events that you want to trigger, and that's it. Now your integration into Slack has been done. We can also look at Slack and we can see that our test message has been sent to Slack. So we can confirm that this integration now works. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope that the demonstration of the ClusterControl integrations was clear enough. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them below or get in touch with us via chat on severalnines.com.